And you other girls will get some other candy later, okay? You have lots of candy in your goodie bag.
I have a...
Oh,
look.
good.
Oh, I have that. That was such a wonderful.
Two books.
I have that.
Wonderful.
I have those.
Megan, who is that from?
Wow. Janine.
Tell her thank you.
Thank you. I think you're going to be a fast mom when you grow up. This is... I think you're going to be a fast mom when you grow up.
Allie, here.
She wants to be arrested.
Allie, Megan, could you let her help you unwrap one?
When is this?
Okay.
It says Megan. Happy birthday to you. Look at the back. School day. School days. Happy birthday. Love, Heather. You're a good friend. Let me see this.
Nice.
Can I see you? Thank you, Heather.
A pink hair ribbon, too.
Ooh.
That's nice.
Can I see? Yeah. Garbage.